29A unboxing. To set up your Cut-True 29A, begin by properly unpacking the cutter. To start, remove the top cover of the box and the foam packing from the container. Unscrew the metal strapping to remove the sides of the container. Remove the plastic wrapping from the 29A. Use a forklift to lift the machine off of the pallet. Next, open the box containing the legs. Use the corresponding numbers on the legs to properly assemble. Insert the bolts and use an Allen wrench to tighten them in place. Now, place the legs onto the floor and install the bottom shelf. Once the bottom shelf is in place, use a forklift to carefully place the machine onto the legs, being sure the inserts are aligned with the legs and that they are seated properly. Fasten each of the 4 legs with the Allen head bolts provided towards the top of the leg. With the legs properly attached, remove the black shipping handles on the front and rear of the machine. After removing the handles, re-screw the screws into the machine. Now that the machine has been unboxed and assembled, use a hand truck to set the 29A into place.